Welcome back, guys. Ground beef, bulgogi-less wraps is what's on my mind for today. Here's a snapshot of the ingredients. We're going to jump right into it. Half pound of ground beef, 5 to 10 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 large onion diced, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I used raw sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. I used pink salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using the low sodium soy sauce here. Finally, before we mix these ingredients all together, we added 2 tablespoons of mirin, which is a rice wine sauce. It's similar to sake, but less alcohol and more sugar. All right, allow me to fire up my burner to medium-high. I'm going to add some olive oil to this pan and allow that to heat up. While that's heating up, we are mixing all of these ingredients together really fast. Adding it to our hot wok. And allow that to cook away. Now we're adding in 3 small carrots, diced. Mix that up once again, allowing that to all cook in and for all of those flavors to infuse. As you know, we're making this ground beef bulgogi and we're using it to make wraps, lettuce wraps that is, but you can easily eat this with white rice. As you can imagine, they go quite well together. So I just placed the lid over the pan there, and what I'm about to show you is to allow all of that fat, that flavored juice there to drain away. The reason why I'm doing this is because we're doing a lettuce wrap, and if we were to have this with rice, it wouldn't be an issue. But I don't like my lettuce wraps to be filled with excess juice that when you bite into it, it leaks out and creates quite a mess. So that's the reason for all that draining. Anyhow, as you saw there, I've removed all the ingredients from the wok, adding back in some of that olive oil, allowing that pan to get to desired temperature, and we're right in with our white mushrooms. This is 2.5 cups of white sliced mushrooms. Once those mushrooms have cooked about 3/4 ways, I'm adding back in the meat mixture, and now we're adding in 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seeds. All right, guys, we're just about done. We're now adding in 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. The last bit here, I'm throwing in the scallions. If your heart so desires, you can allow this to cook even further for another maybe 3 to 4 minutes for it to sizzle. But that's entirely up to you. But check it out, guys. I hope you try this recipe. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Tell me bye.